Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about switch statement in Java. So we will discuss in this very important topics related to switch as well as nested switch as well. So we'll see one by one. Here, few points we have to remember related to switch. That is, I will going to read it out. There can be a one or n number of cases, values for a switch expression. The case value must be of switch expression type only. The case value must be literal or constant. It does not allow variables. Important. The case values must be unique. In case of duplicate value, it renders compile time error. The Java switch expression must be byte, short, integer, long with its wrapper type as well and enum and string. Each case statement can have a break statement which is optional. When control reaches to the break statement, it jumps to the control after the switch expression. If a break statement is not found, it executes the next cases. Nothing but it will fall through. If no breaks, fall through. The case value can have a default label which is optional. So we will see in the program what are these things related to switch uh, points, which are the points we have mentioned here. Okay, we will see that. So syntax, you can see the syntax here. Switch, it's a keyword. Expression, provide an expression. So based on that expression, we will going to create a case values here. You can able to see case, it's a keyword as well. Again, provide a value. Again, as per the value, you will going to provide the code over here, statement. So executable code, write over here. Again, put the break. So instead to avoid the fall through, so we will going to use the break here. Okay. Case, another case you provide and value two. Again, for that particular case, you provide an executable code. Again, put the break. So like that, you can able to create a number of cases. So if no case is matching, default case will be created and the default executable statement will be written. Again, close the switch body. So this is the syntax. So let's see further about switch flowchart. You can able to see. So we will going to start from here. Again, you can able to see the expression here. So that is whatever the expression you will going to provide to the switch. So based on that expression, if it is matched, it will go to the case one. Again, case one statement will be executed and put the break. Again, if this expression matched with case two, it will go to the statement two. Again, put the break. Again, if this expression is matched with case n, it will going to execute the case n statement. Again, put the break for that particular statement. If nothing is matched with case 1, case 2, case n, again, it will going to match with the default one. Otherwise, okay. So it will go to the default statement s and put the break for the turn. Again, finally, terminate over here. This is the flow chart of switch case. You will see the program in the IDE. Yeah, we are taken one class, that is class name is switch here in the main method. So we're going to create a variable, something like this, integer age, like you take it as age, sorry, age. So that is equal to some value you provide it, something like I will provide 12. Again here, based on the literal, integer literal, what I will do, I will use the switch case here, switch, open the bracket. Again, for the switch, we have to create a body. Just we created a body. Here, what I will do, I will provide the variable, literal variable, that is age for year. So what happens, whatever the age you will going to mention, basically my ideology is very simple. What I am doing, if the person is belongs to below 20, I will call that person as young person. Again, if the person is about 20, I will call that person as a mature man. So if a person is above 60, I will call it as old man, like that. So what I will do for that, I will going to create a case here. Okay, case. Let's say I will going to provide a value something like 12. If the person is belongs to age 12, so then I will say is a young man. That's why what I will do. So SYSO control space bar you provide. I will say here is a adult man. I will say young man. I will say young man. Young man. Okay, that's it. So for to avoid the fall through condition, what I will do, I will put the break. So later we will put the break. No, don't worry. So we will take the case as usual. Okay. So for that, I will take case here. I will going to mention something like 25. So I will call this person as an adult person. So I will mention SYSO control space bar again. So I will call this person as an adult man. Okay, fine. So here also what I will do, I will not going to write um, break. So I will show you what is the reason I'm not going to write the break here. Okay. So suppose if the person is more than uh, 60, so then I will call that person as an old man. Okay. So yeah, enter again, say SYSO, SYSO, control space bar again. So here I will say old man, old man. So after 60, everyone will become old. So as usual, we know that. So yeah, what I will do now. So that's it. It's all about your switch. So if you want any default case, you can mention the default case here. So I will mention the default case as well. Default, something you provide. Not a valid match, I will say. Okay, I will suppose if you enter more than 60 or 70, so whatever number maybe I have mentioned here, apart from that, not a valid, enter valid number, I will say. Not a valid number, just that's it. Not a valid entry. Okay, fine. Now you can see now, I have taken 12 as a age value. So 12 will be verified over here. If you find 12 in this particular case, automatically what happens, it will want to print this particular statement, executes young man. And if you enter 25 over here, it will going to execute adult man. If you enter 60 over here, old man. Again, if nothing more than any number apart from these numbers 12, 25, 60, automatically it will go to the default case and you will going to get it. So that is not a valid entry like that. So let's run this code. We will see this. What is the exact answers? We're going to get it. See, so we are getting the answer. Let me take this, arrange it. Okay, so we are getting some answer. You can see young man, adult man, old man, as well as not a valid entry. Everything we are getting. What is the reason is very simple. So we are not putting any breaks over here. So just I wanted to say that if you don't put any breaks after the case statement, automatically it will put you into fall through condition. So that's why every time please provide the breaks. So that's very, very important task we should not forget that. Okay, so put the breaks over here. So that's it, nothing else. So then you can run this, automatically you're going to get the exact answer what you're expecting. So now you can see this hangman. So for like this, you can use it for strings, characters, all those things. Suppose what I will do, I will going to change something like this for character. Suppose I will going to take integer age. Suppose I will say something like if age is a symbol, if I provide symbol a, so what I will going to do, I will going to say here, I will going to provide in such a way that, so basically change the data type as well. So character, because we are looking for strings here, so that's why character here. So that's why what I will do, when you are mentioning with the character, so you have to use the single quotes. Okay, mention. That's it. It works. So here also you just remove it. Again, mention single quotes. So inside the single quotes I will put B. Again here also, so just I will going to take this and copy it. I will want to paste it over here. I will mention this one as C. Okay, so as usual, okay, it's an archival identity like that. See, suppose if I enter, I will going to run this one. Whenever, wherever you will going to find A, B, C. So what I am entering, I am giving the character values A. So when you find the A, it will go to the hangman. Suppose what I will do. So basically it will runs as usual. See, you can see this. But what I will do, I will going to change this. Okay, I will going to make it C. So you see now, what is the result? We're going to get the different result, that is old man, like that. You can see this. Suppose what I will do, you can use it for strings as well. It's not a big thing. You can use it for strings as well. Suppose if I enter something like S like that. So now you can able to see it will go to the directly default case. Again, it will going to execute not a valid entry. So you need to understand you are not entering a valid one. So that's it about switch case. Thank you. Thank you very much. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.